Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert the angle symbol in Microsoft Word quickly and correctly. This symbol is commonly used in mathematics, geometry, engineering, technical documents, academic assignments, and professional reports. Many users struggle to find special symbols in Word or use incorrect substructs that look unprofessional. In this video, we will discover multiple easy and accurate methods to insert the angle of symbol without disrupting your document and formatting. So let's get started. At first, you have to open your document. We can see here a assignment. Now you want to insert the symbol of angle. You can make it two way. At first, you go to the insert menu and click this equation option. Then go to the design menu, click the drop down menu and choose the geometry, and we can see here the angle of symbol. Now we can see here the symbol of angle. You can write anything like 360 degree, etc. Otherwise you can edit the symbol another way. Use the keyboard shortcut key, press and hold the alt on your keyboard, then write 8736 on your keyboard, and we can see we added the symbol of angle sign easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.